Not even some rain could have stopped us today. My name is Hayley, and this channel is about all manner of things from productivity all the way over to fitness and tech. This video is part of a series for the One Punch Man challenge that my husband and I are doing over the next 100 days. We are working our way up to doing 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and a 10-kilometer movement. We are rounding the end of week 4, so that is our 4th increment of increases, and that is 40 push-ups, 40 sit-ups, 40 squats, and a 4-kilometer movement. Today when we woke up, it was pouring buckets of rain. It was foggy. You couldn't really see more than maybe 2 or 3 feet in front of you, and it just was coming down in sheets. We made the conscious decision at that time to not go out for a run, mainly because I didn't think it would be very safe, because if we are going outside for 4 kilometers, it's hard to see, we don't want to get hit by a car. Even though we are on sidewalks and paths, there are still cars on our route and we don't want to obviously get hurt. As well as it was kind of cold, so rain, cold, outside for a while, I don't want to get sick. So we made the decision to stay home, not do the run in the morning, and that we would do the run and the workout later in the day. About 30 minutes after we made that decision, it did clear up, but we'd already committed to doing it later, so we took the morning and it was very nice. We did do the run first, so let's see how that went.
Captain's log, day 26. Good day. And it's not the usual day, the good morning. It's actually lunchtime that we went for a run. Still didn't do the push-ups and other things. That will be later today. In the morning there was a bit too much rain for us to comfortably go outside, so we decided to push it back. Today's Friday, so we will have a little bit more extra time in the evening, so we'll be able to get it done. Update on the run. I was able to go a little bit further with running. Instead of 500 meters, I did 750. So working up in 250 meter increments. Did 3 small runs in between. Still did 4 kilometers. So happy with that. And we'll see how the actual workout part goes. But being optimistic, and it's quite nice. Anyways, see you later.
We're back. Instead of running in the morning, we did a midday run because it was pouring rain this morning, like buckets and buckets of rain. Admittedly, about 30 minutes after we decided we were not going out, it started to slow down and kind of like clear up, but at that point we had already agreed that we were doing it later, so that was totally fine. But doing a midday run was way better for me in my personal opinion. I felt more awake, more alert. Even though I didn't necessarily do anything crazy before, I was just working. I felt I had a lot more energy when I went out. I did have some coffee and actually a banana before I went out, so I think that also helped, weirdly enough. But the really positive thing is today, again, I have the fastest overall average. I think it was around 11 minutes and 33 seconds. Again, it's not necessarily a run pace, but I don't care. I'm really proud of that. My fastest was, I believe, 10 minutes and 20 seconds for a kilometer, which was awesome as well. Over the 4, I did run about 500 to 600 meters. The rest of it I kind of did as more of a walk. I didn't have any pain in my calves. I did feel a little bit in my shins, but I did manage to kind of push through that. I do have to go stretch and massage my legs just to make sure that I am in peak form for tomorrow and dry out my shoes because they're soaking wet. So I've now run in minus 12, felt like minus 18. I think it was colder than that. Maybe it was like minus 18 and felt colder. I don't know. March 2nd, ran in freezing cold weather. Today, March 26th, ran in rain. And then by the end of it, it's nice. It's nice outside right now. My glasses are dry. They weren't for like 80% of it though. But yeah, running in the rain is totally fine. But I gotta get back to work and go get in my stretches. Pretty awesome results from today. We both had a good time. As mentioned, no pain from either of us, maybe a little minor hiccup here and there, but nothing major. Just a short while ago, we finished the workout portion. I managed to fix my form for the push-ups. I was getting a lot lower. Granted, I am still doing it on my knees, but even if you have to do push-ups on your knees, it's better to do them with good form than it is to be up on your toes. So no matter how you're doing your push-ups, just modify as you need to. I did get through the first 20, and then I broke up the next 20 into 2 sets of 10. You can see by the end of the second group of 10, I was tired and collapsed. I was done. Moved into the sit-ups, and oh man, did I feel those today. I'm not sure why I felt them more today than any other day, but I did push through them. I am feeling that my core is stronger. I feel that I'm able to move through the first half a little bit easier, but definitely core exercises, they're no joke. From there, I went into the squats. I broke it up into 2 sets of 20. I didn't feel it at the end of the 20, the second 20 at least, as I normally do in the morning, so I think there may be some benefits for me doing the workouts midday or later in the day. I might try experimenting with that next week to see how that goes. Alex then did after that, Alex did his workout. He does his multi-variation push-ups. If you have any other push-up variation suggestions, feel free to leave some comments below. I might try to work in some other variations as the weeks progress because I might get tired of doing this wide arm push-up. So leave some comments in below if you have any suggestions. After that, he went into his sit-ups, and those are grueling for him just as they are for me. And from there, he moved into the squats. Overall, today was a great day. It's Friday. It is day 26 of this workout challenge. Both of us got to sleep in a little bit longer, which was definitely a bonus and kind of helped keep our energy up for the rest of the day. You have to remember sometimes you need to sleep in, and that's okay. There you have it. That's our day 26. I am so happy for it to be done. I'm looking forward to actually the run tomorrow because I did do some extra stretching and I want to see if that continues to help. And it is now our vacation time, so I am looking forward to the next week off, which means I can run anytime I want. I can do the workouts whenever I want. I'm really looking forward to the next couple days off. I just wanted to say thank you again for watching these videos, making it to this part, and for supporting us. It means the world to me to have you come along with this journey. I do encourage you to hit that like button. You never know who will be able to find these videos because of the algorithm, and there could be somebody out there that needs to see this. Maybe it's you. If you haven't yet subscribed, definitely do. You made it this far in the journey, so you definitely must be interested in what we're doing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell just so you can stay up to date. And we'll close out just like we close out every other one with the mantra. I've got this. You've got this. We've got this. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.